What's up, y'all? So we are getting ready to do the underarm wax. oh, hold on, that's kind of bright. Turn that down. Oh, that threw my whole eyes off. Anyway, so we're about to do I'll just do one. Weird. Lord Jesus, I be talking to y'all like y'all here with me and we doing a class. Well, I mean, technically it could be a class. Better get on your zone. So we're doing an underarm wax. And it's been about 4 weeks. 4 weeks. Maybe going into the 5th week. So I am going to be reviewing the Max Pearl wax system and wax. Let me show you guys. This wax has probably been melting for about 20 minutes. Let me show you the texture and consistency. Basically, so again, I always like to test in my palm because I feel like this is why I feel like it. The palm can withhold more heat than any other part of your body. So if it's still hot on your palm, then it's probably too hot for your underarms. So it's not that hot, but I think I might actually let it warm up just a little bit more. See, and this actually peeled off perfectly. So we'll see. I usually use Cerapil wax, hard wax, but this system came with 4 little, I think they're 2-ounce bags. Oh, 3.5 ounce bags. These are the other 2. And I don't think, when looking on the bags, and I don't think there's any difference with the colors. It just says hard wax for smooth hair removal. No flavors or anything like that. Not the blunt putting the damn fire thing on. Okay, so I'm using some witch hazel to clean today. Last video I just used some wet wipes, but anything will work just to clean up and get the deodorant or whatever. Might as well use the same one. Yes, so use a wet wipe, flushable wipes, any type of wet cloth to cool the wax down if it seems like the wax is taking too long to cool. Because my body temperature runs really hot, so wax seems to take longer to cool on my body. But yeah, let's get to it. So we did 2 applications, applying down, removing up. Application, removal, didn't break on me. However, it doesn't seem to be grabbing as much hair as I would like. apply up, remove down, and we're gonna see what it look like. Let's. Yeah, it's still kind of thick. Oh, the edges are thick. Which is fine. Cause I got a big ass armpit. The hell. I did not get this from my mama and my mom's side, okay? They barely got hair over there. Raggedy ass daddy side. If y'all could only see how I'm standing right now so I can get this in the camera like this so I can see. Lord. Still a little warm. Let's see. Y'all, Hershey had a seizure this morning. This is my grandma calling. Probably trying to see if we gonna take her to the vet. Hello.
Hey, you still asleep?
No, I'm up.
Oh, I sent you a couple text messages trying to find out how Hershey is this morning.
She probably was texting my other phone because I ain't getting no messages on this phone. She's the girl. She's still asleep. I called basically the same thing. If she's not actively seizing, there's nothing that they can do. But she said they can get her in on Monday to do some blood work.
Oh, okay. But you know, you think maybe she's sleeping more soundly now?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. Cause I'll tap her a couple times and she won't wake up.
Well, she was up late last night too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when she starts stretching, I think in that video you sent me, I think she was having a hard time trying to roll over.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. But that was abnormal. Cause it don't take her that long.
She had just woke up, right?
No. That happened in her sleep.
Oh, okay. Because I know when, back a long time ago when she overheard, she tried to roll over from her back to her stomach so she can get up. She would do that, but not as what I saw in that video.
Right.
Yeah. Well, let me know what you want to do.
Okay, well, I can't do nothing until Monday. They said they can get her on Monday so they can do some blood work and see. But she said with seizures, I mean, all they would do is put her on medication.
Oh. Did they say it sound like seizures?
Yeah.
Is that what they told you on the phone last night?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Well, let me know.
Okay, I will.
Until the end of time. So rest your weary heart and relax your mind. 'Cause I'm gonna love you, girl, until the end of time. You got me saying, oh, you got me saying, oh, 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 oh.
right, y'all, we finished. So 3 strips per underarm, which is technically usual, well, pretty usual for me if I don't wait more than 4 or 5 weeks. But anyways, I think the Max Pro wax pot and wax is a good buy, and it's reasonable. I think it's under $30, and you get 4 3.5 ounce bags of wax to start out with for under $30. Win-win, especially if you're a beginner waxer and you don't want to spend a lot of money on starting out. I would definitely invest, so I'll put the link to this wax pot in the description box. And I did an unboxing for Amazon for this one. Hopefully I can find the video, because it came with the 4 bags of wax. It came with the little round spillage slip things. It came with a small package of big and small popsicle sticks, application sticks, and I think that's it. For like $25. But anyways, like I said, it will be linked in the description box below. But definitely invest, especially if you're a beginner and you don't want to spend a lot of money, because I think like an underarm wax at European Wax Center, I think it's like $45. So imagine $25 for a complete little set. You can get, I don't know how many waxes probably out of this, maybe even, I don't know, 6 or 7 applications. If you're doing your underarm, I don't know what else you would be waxing, but for me, definitely a good investment. Check it out. Anyways, I'll see y'all later. Peace.